Welcome to this video on the seasonal work visa in the UK and how to apply with the official website. The UK has a thriving agricultural industry that is constantly in need of seasonal workers, including fruit pickers, carrot picker, farm workers, and horticulture workers. In this video, we will guide you through the process of finding and applying for seasonal work in the UK, as well as provide you with the official website for more information. Seasonal work in the UK. The agricultural industry in the UK is one of the largest and most important industries in the country, and it is constantly in need of seasonal workers to meet the growing demand for food and agriculture products. There are a wide range of seasonal jobs available in the UK, including fruit pickers, farm workers, and horticulture workers. Eligibility requirements. To be eligible for the seasonal work visa in the UK, you must meet certain requirements. These include being from a country outside of the European Economic Area, EEA, having a valid passport, having the required health and character requirements, and having a job offer from an approved employer in the agricultural industry. How to find seasonal work in the UK. Now that you know what seasonal work in the UK is and the eligibility requirements, let's look at the steps involved in finding and applying for these jobs. Step 1. Research the job market. The first step is to research the job market in the UK and determine which seasonal industries and occupations are in need of workers. You can do this by browsing job boards and websites, such as the UK government's Seasonal Workers Pilot Scheme. Official website link: www.gov.uk Guidance Seasonal Workers Pilot. Step 2. Check visa and work permit requirements. Once you have identified the seasonal industries and occupations that are in need of workers, you can check the visa and work permit requirements for working in the UK. This can usually be found on the UK government's immigration website. Official website link: www.gov.uk/browse/visas-immigration/work-visas. Step 3. Apply for seasonal work in the UK. When applying for seasonal work in the UK, it's important to ensure that you have all the required documents ready before you start the application process. These may include your CV, education and work experience certificates, and language test results, among others. You will also need to fill out the application form, which can be done online through the UK government's immigration website. The application form will ask for personal details, such as your name, date of birth, and contact information, as well as details about your job offer and your eligibility for the seasonal work visa. In addition to filling out the application form and providing the required documents, you may also be required to pay a fee for your visa application. The fee can vary depending on the type of visa you are applying for and the duration of your stay in the UK. It's important to ensure that you provide all the necessary information and documentation when applying for the seasonal work visa in the UK. Any missing or incomplete information could result in delays or even a rejection of your application. Once you have submitted your application, you will receive a confirmation email with a reference number. You can use this reference number to track the progress of your application online through the UK government's immigration website. It's important to note that the processing time for seasonal work visa applications can vary depending on the volume of applications and the complexity of your case. It's best to apply well in advance of when you plan to start work in the UK to allow for processing time. Official website link: www.gov.uk/apply-uk-visa. Step 4. Wait for a decision. After submitting your application, you will need to wait for a decision from the employer or the UK government's immigration department. The processing time can vary depending on the volume of applications and the complexity of your case. You can check the status of your application online. Official website link: www.gov.uk/track-uk-visa-application. If your application is successful, you will be issued a seasonal work visa, which will allow you to live and work in the UK for the duration of the visa. You may also be eligible to apply for permanent residency in the UK, depending on your circumstances. This has brought us to the end of this video. Let us know in the comments section your thoughts if you tried this already or you faced any difficulty while doing it. Don't also forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification icon to keep yourself updated on the sponsorship, jobs, immigration, and scholarships we will bring to you every day on this channel. We will see you in our next video.